What's up, guys? I don't know if you can see it or not. Up there I got Chad in his Jeep. Today it's gonna snow all day, so we got a few more hours of it coming down. Figure we might as well beat the plows, woo, and get out here and do some playing. Turn off traction control here. Get a little sideways. Don't hit the pole. No, 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 no. Chad. Ah! I love it. You wouldn't think it, but man, look at that. Ooh, shit. he's like, fuck this. He's up and over. I'm not gonna hit it. Ooh, should I go around? Oh, this is such a tight gap. Oh shit. Okay, lit. Woo, a little sideways there. This is probably a stupid idea, but I got Chad in the rear view. I don't know if you can see him or not in the Jeep there. Literally, no cars. As I say, that 2 cars show across the intersection there. That's awesome. Might want to turn your headlights on there. Wow. As you can see, it is just coming down. I don't know how much we're expected to get, but OJ, he's holding his own. Doing really good. I tell you what, the ELSD and the StabiliTrak in this car is just absolutely here. No hands. I mean, I got a median coming up there, but woo. I just hit the rear wheel. Shit. Let's see if maybe I should pull over and see if I did any fucking damage or not. Let's check. I want to see if I damaged that freaking rim. Fuck, right there. That's all right. StabiliTrak. I mean, you can do this. Wherever the car wants to go is just keep it floored. It's just fine. No hands, no. I love this. Keep the thing floored, you're good to go. Tell you what, bud, I might have to pull over again and clean my wipers off. Oh shit, that sucks. All right. It could be a little bit worse. It's seems like the plows haven't gotten out over here. Man, shut up. Okay, I don't know if you can see way back there. I got Chad. I gotta wait for him. Coming?
Yeah, I can see you.
Well, they ain't plowed out there. We gotta do some donuts. I'm gonna get some slow-mo shots of him. Check out these fucking... Look at me. I am just fucking covered. I love it though. Alright, here's where it goes straight uphill. So I'm gonna have to be all over it. Okay, I got traction off. These GoPros are so smooth, but you can't see it. But shoot, man, I'm hitting bumps like where the see all those bald spots. The snow is mounted up, and it is just boom, 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 tossing my car. But I gotta keep speed in order to maintain. But every time my car, ooh, fuck. Oh, god damn! God damn! Oh, shit! I can't tell. Oh, shit! What's that? The car is... It's like going over whoop-de-doos, just constantly jumping. Is Chad back there? Is he back there? Okay. Traction control for any of you people that have just gotten Camaros or, you know, the 6th gen Camaro, and you want to know, if you hit this one button, it will allow you to get sideways just like that. No problem. The car will get sideways, but all you have to do is let off and the car will pull straight back. The computer will save your ass every time. I love it. So if you actually hit down and hold it for 10 seconds or whatever it is for the count, and you wait for the whole stability track, everything to go off and disable everything, 100% on your own. If you want to be back to where, see, like I can have it floored, I can hit this once, traction control back on, you can hit, I can floor it right now. The car will actually monitor the throttle and it'll let you increase the speed. I mean, you're gonna have the flashing lights on, but that was 2nd gear and I actually had it floored. 40, I don't know, it's jumping 35, 40 miles an hour, whatever. Hit traction control off and you floor it, it will let you get sideways. If you let off, it will bring you back straight again. It's actually a really, so if you want to get sideways, you can just stay on the throttle. The car will, it'll almost be like the ESC is disabled, and it will let you just get all over the road or whatever you would like to do. Try 3rd gear. Ooh, got a little judder. This is also what builds up. What? turn it on. Uh-oh. Got an ABS light. Oh, service StabiliTrak. Probably able to shut the car off and turn it back on. I bet you that'll come back off. Yeah, 35 mile an hour drift, no problem. Might take up 2 lanes doing it, but yeah. Holy shit, look, I got so much snow. I got snow packed everywhere, man. The back's not so bad. Look at the ass. Even listen to this. My horn. It is just packed.